treatment of gum disease usually involves a different type of cleaning than what a healthy mouth has. We clean much deeper below the gums to be sure that any bacteria, any infection that is below those gum lines is cleaned out thoroughly to get resolution. We have special ultrasonic instrumentation that washes out between the tooth and the gum around every tooth. We also like to see you about every 3 months to start with for additional cleanings and to be sure we're staying on top of the gum issues. If everything is looking really good at multiple 3-month visits, often we will try to extend your visits and the time in between them by a month or so and continue to see you, making sure that you're stable. Our goal would be to get you back to every 6 months that we recommend for a healthy mouth, if at all possible.